KCTV Lon Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatgor Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Hadu pra Hajar Sauspa Tylli Skul bapher hagani ke Jilla Meghalaya kilaya shimbenta ban Rakhe yaka sngi ban persha yaka jingpendan kam ya uduma da kabaya snok tilang bat ka perthai baro kawai ka phang Rakhe haunu snam yaka World No Tobacco Day kalong yada yaka mei mariang hagani ke Jilla la Rakhe yaka ni sngi de tanat pule puthi jong ka sarkar Jilla harangkat ke jinga trailang bat ka Sambandh Health Foundation ka seng traimon ngobha ka baju pensyai bat pensngotho sekipat ba kumno ka tedem ka bami na uduma ka pensneo ya ki saudong saukun jong ka mai mariang ka bangi im ngishong bat ngisa Additional Chief Secretary jong ka sarkar Jilla uba pet ya katanat puli puthi uba Donald P. Watlang ula ai khublai ya ki Skul ki balai shimbenta ha ka jing Rakhe ka bala penlong baro shitayo kenti bat ongru bakani ka senjam kan pensngotho ya ki samla pule bat ya ki kena Skul ban kiar na ka bapendan kam ya uduma uba kta ya ka jingkot jingkhia ka jongki Haga jingelang ka balalong ha State Convention Center la sakhilang da ka State Nodal Officer jong ka National Tobacco Control Program ka Dr. Lana Nongbri u Principal Secretary jong ka tanat ka kot ka khia upi Sampat Kumar ka State Planning Community Mobilization Gender Coordinator Semam SSA ka kong Jennifer Sindram bat kiwai.
It is very important that we observe this day and learn and disseminate this information on the ill effects of tobacco, on the ill effects of smoking. The second part I would like to mention over here is that everybody is talking on this day, World No Tobacco Day, on smoking. The girls over here, so what's the big deal? We are girls, we are not going to smoke. In all probability, we'll say that. But tobacco comes in different forms. Smoking is just one. What about the smokeless tobacco? That is also very important, and women in Meghalaya consumes other forms of tobacco in huge proportions. You have heard the data quoted by our mission director. 8,000 deaths per year in Meghalaya, and they don't come from smokers only. They come from those who consume smokeless tobacco, like what? Like gutkhas, like your pan para. They are all different forms of tobacco also. So kindly note that it's not only smoking that we are talking about over here, we are talking about smokeless tobacco also, which is equally dangerous. In that smokeless tobacco in the form of a gutka, what they mix is, of course, betel is there, which is crushed, lime is there, but more important is that they also mix tobacco and nicotine in small levels so that it becomes addictive. So be very, very careful. Young students, don't say that I don't smoke, I take a gutka. It's equally harmful. So therefore, the lesson that you go home back today is ensure that you don't fall into the ills, into the bad habits of consuming tobacco, which comes in different forms. I was sitting in the chair before this function and I was reading these very interesting slogans. Some of them are very, very eye-catching. In fact, it was very amusing also, some of them are quite humorous also. Let us go through all these slogans. Of course, there's a prize distribution also after this for the best slogan. But all of you have come, the students especially, kindly have a look because it's very entertaining and also very educative, which is very important.
Bajai Doba block, Kumling block, Chokpat block, Maukarwat block, Maukhabaishan block, 2022 winners. Like I said, the block West Giant Hills, Mother Angeles, Sahel Secondary School, West Khasi Hills. Thank you very much.